Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the excretion biology class 7. The chapter is excretion in humans. Means whatever the unwanted and things in our body that will be go out from our body, that system is called all the excretion system, and the organ which remove unwanted and toxic substance. Unwanted means which is not required by our body. Suppose we are having extra vitamin, extra salt, these are not required, so that will go out from our body. So some organs are there who are responsible for this, they will do the excretion. These organs are called excretory organ. Excretory organ example is your kidney. Everybody knows we are having two kidney, then ureter, then urethra, then urinary bladder. Individually we will discuss later on, but these are all the organ which do the excretion in our body. And process, first organ who is responsible for the excretion, second is the process means how excretion done. The process is called excretion process. Okay, so main, what is unwanted and toxic substance, one by one we will discuss. Suppose breakdown of excessive amino acid in liver. There are amino acid in the liver, that amino acid needs to be broken down, so we have to break down that excessive amino acid. The required amino acid will be in the body, and excessive amino acid breakdown, then it will also go out through our excretory organ. Then you know when jaundice is there, your body becomes yellow. That yellowish substance is called bile. This yellowish substance is called bile. That bile, if it is excess, then this bile is formed in liver, and if it is excess, then you will be subjected to jaundice and liver cancer also. So if it is so much harmful, then it should go out from our body. So our excretory system make responsible to make it out from our body. So these are unwanted toxic substance. What the example I am discussing. Then suppose water. Suppose there are excess water. You when we take the saline, you have I think observed that if you take excess saline, then that person body becomes swelled. Why? The excess water enter inside our body. So what we have to do? We have to just flush out that water along with nitrogenous waste. There are nitrogenous waste which we means both way, through urine and through our waste it go out. So this is water is essential for washing out our nitrogenous waste. And then come to salt. In our body there are extra salt, whatever extra salt that goes out through urine. That's why urine is very salty, because extra salt go out through urine. So then extra vitamin, there are a lot of vitamin which is not needed, like what is needed that body absorb, but what is not needed, like two type of here, water soluble, which can be solved in water soluble, the vitamin BC. Vitamin BC is also, it is very important. Remember, water soluble question may come, what is the water soluble vitamin? Then answer is vitamin B, and vitamin C is water soluble. Then fat soluble, which vitamin is fat soluble? Vitamin D and vitamin A. These are extra vitamin which goes out from our body through our excretory organ. Okay, then next, just write it down, then we will discuss the next excretory organ and all the details of organ we will discuss. Just you write it down, okay? Next come to excretory system. In excretory system there are 4 organs which are responsible for the excretion. One is first is kidney. Kidney, how kidney structure is? It is a bean like structure. Everybody eats beans, okay? Beans, it is structure is bean like structure. Where it is located? In our body, where we will find the kidney? First is either side of the backbone, means both side of the backbone we will find 2 kidney. We are having 2 kidney, and both side of the backbone we will find that kidney. And in the level, which level? In last 2 ribs. In front of your body there are ribs, and just behind the ribs towards the backbone there are 2 kidneys, okay? Right kidney is slightly lower from the left kidney. Right kidney always little bit lower, not means very much, but it is a little bit lower from the left kidney. And then come to ureter. Ureter, it's a tube like structure, just connect kidney and urinary bladder. So what is the structure of the ureter? That is it is tube like structure, kidney, lower part of the kidney connected with the urinary bladder. What is, then come to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is muscular type of bag. Have you seen bag? But in our body there is muscular bag that is called urinary bladder, and it connects with the urethra. Then we will come to urethra. What is urethra? Urethra means narrow pipe carry urine outside. When urine goes outside, then our last pipe which make it out, that is called urethra. So how it is? Just see here, these 2 are kidney. 4 organ I have told you, mainly responsible for excretion system, that is kidney. These 2 tube, this is tube, that is you come to ureter. This tube is ureter, and here bladder. All the urine stored here, so it is a bag like structure, it is called urinary bladder. Then come to urethra. This is urethra, where urine goes out, okay? This is called urethra. So these 4 organs which makes our unwanted and toxic things in our body to move outside, because if it will remain in our body, it will harm our body. So these 4 organs are responsible for that. Yeah, student, please write it down. Then I will go to next session. Okay.